The Internal Revenue Service has announced tax relief from some Louisiana residents affected by Hurricane Delta. Joining us now by phone is IRS spokesman Michael Devine. So thanks so much for joining us, Michael, and tell us about tax relief for those affected by Delta. Who's eligible and how they can take advantage of it?
Well, thank you for having me. Basically, anyone who lives in one of the parishes that have been designated as a disaster area by FEMA, and for Hurricane Delta, there are 5 parishes. And for Hurricane Laura, there were originally only 6, but more have been added. So there are now 21 parishes covered by changes to tax law that allows people to extend their filing deadlines and have other deadlines for making payments extended because they're in those designated disaster areas.
Now, Michael, if other parishes are added to the disaster declaration for Delta, will those residents also be eligible?
That is automatic. If FEMA adds parishes, as they have for Hurricane Laura, then those people are automatically covered. And the IRS works with zip codes. We know what zip codes are in what parishes. And so those people will automatically be covered. But if they want to find out, they can go to irs.gov and use our website to find a current list of the parishes that are covered. And what's more important, if you happen to live in a parish that was not declared a disaster area, but you have business in one of the parishes that was affected and is declared, you may be eligible for some of the benefits by the disaster declaration. And there's a phone number that you can call, but all of that information is on irs.gov.
All right. A lot of great information there. Thank you again so much for joining us today, Michael, with that.
Thank you for having me.